Learning target 4.1.2 asks us to graph a function with a given domain and then identify the range. So if we look at this particular equation, it's nice. We've already have y solved by itself, so we can make a table of values, x and y. And now the key here is they gave us the domain, and the two key letters in domain are the IN. So they're telling us the numbers that they want us to plug in. The only numbers they want us to plug in are -1, 0, and 1. If we put -1 into the equation, for example, we'd have 2 times -1 minus 1, which would give us -2 minus 1, we're looking at -3. If we substitute 0 for x, 2 times 0 is 0, and 0 minus 1 is -1. And if we substitute 1 for x, 2 times 1 would be 2, minus 1 would be 1. Let's get back to the video, huh? Okay, so we said 2 times 1 was 2, minus 1 is 1. So if we plot those points, -1, -3, 0, -1, and 1, 1. Remember, one of the keys we talked about is that what we're studying this year is linear algebra, so everything should be in a straight line. Since our points are in a straight line, that's probably a good check that we're done. The most common mistake on 2A was that people went and connected the dots. We can't do this in this particular situation because the domain they gave us were 3 specific values, so all our output would be is 3 specific points. We can't go everywhere we want to, so we cannot have the red line. If we look at 2B, it said identify the range. And just like we talked about, the domain is all the inputs, -1, 0, 1. The range is the corresponding output values. So that would be the y values, -3, -1, and 1.